Guys, you won't believe what I just found. These mind-blowing images were created using a free AI, not Midjourney or Leonardo. In my opinion, this is the best free AI for image generation. I'm sure you'll love it too. Introducing Tensor Art, it's a fantastic alternative to Midjourney. I've tried numerous free and paid AIs, but none of them compare to the shock I experienced with Tensor Art. Check out the link in the description. Let's get started by signing up. You can sign up with your Google, Discord, or email account. Once you're signed up, go ahead and create your profile by adding your profile picture and name. In this section, you'll find a variety of models created by other users, including some that are intended for mature audiences, 18+. Unfortunately, I can't display them here. Additionally, you have the option to create anime and hentai images using this platform. Did you know that people are creating faceless Instagram accounts by uploading AI-generated images? Take a look at this particular account, which has gained over 100K followers with just 300 images. It's quite impressive. Moreover, you can even earn money through Tensor Art. By clicking here, you can see that they offer payment for uploading models and gaining followers on Civid AI. Take your time to read through all the details, as it can be beneficial if you're skilled in model creation. Alright, let's begin by selecting the model. It's important not to skip any steps, so make sure to watch the complete process. Select a model from the options provided, either Checkpoint or Laura. I'll explain the differences between them later on. Once you've made your choice, click Run. If necessary, you can modify the selected model from this page. In this section, you'll find your credit balance. You have the ability to create 100 images per day, with each image costing 1 credit. Your credits will refresh every 24 hours. For an added touch of creativity, you can use Laura, another model option. It allows you to combine 2 models and create even more impressive images. Give it a try and see the amazing results. Next, you can proceed by adding your desired image prompt here. Describe how you want your images to look like. Additionally, don't forget to include a negative prompt, stating what you don't want to see in your images. I've successfully added my prompts. With image to image, you have the option to upload an image as a reference in order to generate new images based on what you've uploaded. In the settings section, you have the option to choose the size of the image. There's also a Hires fix available, which is an inbuilt upscaler. You can select how many times you want to upscale your image, but please keep in mind that it will cost an additional 1 credit. Similarly, in Annotator, using this feature will also incur an extra credit, so I didn't utilize it and turned it off for now. You can choose the number of images you want to generate here. However, please note that Hires fix and Annotator won't work if you select more than 1 image. Once you have everything set, click on Generate, and your image will be ready. Next, I'll demonstrate the process and model I used to create these images. Go to the Model section and select Laura. I'm using this model to generate the images. Click on Run, and make sure to use the recommended generation data to generate the similar image I showed you. Then click on Generate, and the image will be ready. You can download it from here and also upscale, remix, and perform image-to-image transformations. Feel free to share it on your profile and build a community of followers by showcasing your skills and posting your images. I hope you found this video interesting and enjoyable. To stay updated with more captivating content, remember to subscribe to my channel.